Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, and welcome back if you're not new. Welcome to 2022. Hey, my name is Nyasha, also known as WeNyasha, the boss babe, and I'm so excited to have you back if you're not new, and I'm so excited to have you. If you're new, please make sure you join the family. Hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. So in today's video, guys, the first video of 2022, I'm doing a vlog. Yes, I didn't think about it really, but well, it happened, and I think it's perfect that way. I'm going to town. I'm going kumabero kuno hoda stuff for thrift flip. If you didn't know, I own a thrift store by the name Thrift Flip. Please follow us on Instagram. Yes, and then I'll be going for a cooking class, which I'm also excited about. But akuna magets kumba. It's been 3 days. No, they said there's been an electric fault. So I took my clothes at the back. I'm going to my aunt's place, and then do I need kumba kwao. And then I'm going to look for shoes as well, because yeah, I need some flats for the day. But well, I need to get it done today. So I hope I'll take you with me, and we'll see how it goes. No, Gandhi. Hey guys, so I'm still in town. It's around 10 past 1. The cooking class is supposed to start at 1. Hopefully they'll delay a bit. I'm still in town. I haven't even done my makeup, but I managed to change into this cute dress. I'll show you hopefully before Nyam gets it. I'll try to save my battery if I have to. But yeah, let's get cooking. Hey guys, so I'm at Wendy's house. Yeah, it's Wendy, and there's a few other ladies here. We're just dance cooking. Wendy, so cute. Such a lovely place. I'll show you around. Such a beautiful place. I'll let you see what you're doing. Hasa we every day because cooperations mengwenombotiza.
That's really cute. Also, makeup looks really nice on you.
Thank you.
You're very beautiful. I know. Eyebrow is YouTube. When they want to come to the eyebrow. So much the proportion of I want to reach a certain consistency with my nuts, both equal parts bananas and equal parts white chocolate and cheese. Don't know which one. Single shake up at a shake. What you guys are nuts mature. Does it make sense? Because a chocolate choma, your nuts animals are exposed to chocolate. So you need to put more chocolate to calm but grains just flavors. I know. For people like you, but for people like I'm not naming names. Just in case. Your makeup looks nice. You took your time. Hey, you look like Choma in the face. It looks nice. Choma.
You did your own makeup. So why do you need makeup artist? Because this is
exactly the same.
Hey, looks really nice.
Whooping guys. If you're serious, you should
Send messages.
I would be serious.
I don't have the patience.
But it's actually
You deal with the
I would know all your weddings. Because we've got cucumber is also right, and
salty, my ancestors.
and then trace of putting on black pepper. Then trace two pieces, just a piece of lemon. Because mayonnaise, I know how mayonnaise is. So we want to cut that with lemon. You can use lemon or any acid vinegar. Like I used to use apple cider vinegar. So I'm going to use lemon. Don't put too much. And now so the thing is, we want to cut our mayonnaise well, and so that I can weigh more. But if I want the lemon, it comes to water because you can't buy no. So you will culture sanganisa, you need to cheese dressing glass. Okay, you want to put it, right? Then you should put something like this. Deal here. I'm just deal.
I'm such a duty.
I've got some dough here. So we're just gonna put a little bit. This is just for garnish. Flavor.
this has been my day. Hopefully you enjoyed as much as I did. We're just finishing off with the table layout, and we're gonna be having dinner. It's almost 6:30 now in the evening, so we'll be having dinner here. I'm not cooking. So yes, please make sure you comment below if you like this vlog. Let me know in the comment section, and also let me know if I should do more vlogs in the future. I'm not sure if I'm going to continue vlogging, but in case I don't, I would use this as an ending. But I'll try to be back before